This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. It is Sunday, February the 16th, 2020. Let's take a look here. We are seeing the cryptos staging another down day. And this video is going to be a follow-up from the video I did yesterday, pretty much showing you another view. This time we're going to be taking a look at the total crypto market chart. And here we can see the video I was talking about is going to be linked in the description. This is yesterday's video. Right here. Recorded yesterday, uploaded about an hour or so ago. But anyway, so in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the total crypto market. And essentially, it's going to be confirming exactly what has been going on as far as Bitcoin is concerned. It's going to be the same lines pretty much, confirmed from a different point of view. So I'm going to link this video in the description of this current video. So what I have here is the total crypto market as calculated by TradingView, and it gives a snapshot of the entire crypto market as a group. Now, what I'm going to do is I want to take a look at there's a break point here in early 2018. This was a major break. That break pretty much is the reason why we come off the highs in early 2018, and we haven't gone back to those prices as far as the total crypto market is concerned. All right, now I want to zoom into that area so we can see it clearly. So just bear with me here. All right, what I'm talking about is this area right here. That break of the RSI, that little movement, that node corresponds with this area here. And of course, the cryptos have not been back to those levels since then. So that was a major break. So what we're going to do is use that line, and we're going to end up with some interesting conclusions, which might explain what is taking place in the crypto market right now. All right, so I'm going to connect the lows, the low there of the RSI and the low I just drew right there. It's actually going to come close to this low also. Remember, this is a way to understand what markets are doing from a swing trade perspective, and I'm going to connect those points, something like that. All right. So it doesn't touch this line, this lows, but it touches the lows we discussed right there. I'm going to take that line and draw my uniformity principle. Again, this is my own researched method. And now you see what I'm getting at. There is a break here, which we come off the highs there of 2019, and then now this is showing a reversal, and that might explain why the cryptos are pulling back. Oh, by the way, excuse me for not mentioning that this is based on the weekly chart point of view. So it's a 1 week per line, so weekly data. So a weekly chart. And so the more we continue seeing resistance, it means that the next meaningful swing trade perspective or direction is going to be down. If the cryptos are going to move higher, then we need to see visual evidence by them moving above this blue line. It's very simple. Now again, even for this chart, we can see that this resistance area so happens to be around that RSI 61.8 level. Again, that is something we see that is confirming that these RSI levels that I discussed are true to the market's response areas. And here we are seeing a pullback around that general area. Now I'm going to draw another line just like I did with Bitcoin in yesterday's analysis. And the line is going to pretty much confirm what we are seeing here. This line is going to connect the lows right here, close to connecting to that low, and this low right here. So let's draw that trend line, and I'm going to extend it. Right, you see what's going on there, and this is based on my own personal research. You can see uniform activity rejection there gave us those highs from a swing trade perspective. We come and at some point we break above that line, here to begin a nice swing trade entry here. Go on to break the trend line there for the highs there, and then a resistance right there, maybe you cannot see it, for the highs there. And now we are seeing it confirm resistance. So again, confirming the same area. In other words, if the cryptos are going to move beyond current levels, they need to take out those two lines to the upside, as we've seen. And the more we continue seeing this look, the more it means that the next meaningful direction is going to be for movement to the downside. And that is how you use simple yet powerful RSI lines to gauge where any market is going. Again, this can be used in any trading instrument, in any market, anywhere across the globe. This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ETCUSD. And so it is.